So my name is Vicky Drouant. I'm a sales director for General Cable, and today we're going to be talking about our GenSPEED family of products. Specifically, we're going to talk about the LP listing, PoE, and about our small diameter 6A cable. All of our Cat 6 cables are rated with an LP listing from UL. We were the first in the industry to get that LP listing, and we are the only cable in the industry to have that 0.25 OOD. Something that we hear a lot about in the industry and have for a long time, and it's starting to gain a lot more traction, is PoE, or Power over Ethernet. So when you take a traditional 4-pair communications cable and you want to put power over it, one of the things that happens is it makes the heat rise in the cable, and the entire cable bundle will rise in heat, and over time that can make the cables degrade. And so when our cables are LP listed, what that means is that we have tested them up to certain wattages being pushed through them electrically, and know that these cables will not have that heat rise and they will not degrade over time. So it gives our customers confidence in the product. So the smaller 6A cable, for example, we have here, you can see the difference. These are 91 cables, and this was our former small OD product at about a 275 OD, and this is our new product here at a 0.250 OD. And you can see from this large bundle the difference in size. What's important to talk about is kind of a specific example of that conduit fill rate. So historically, in a 4-inch conduit, you could only fit 80 6A cables. And now with this new product, with the smaller OD, you can fit 119 cables into that same space. You know, that's a huge benefit to our contractor partners, because it allows them to use a product that's much easier to terminate, to work with. It's a much lighter cable. You can fit more cables into a conduit. You can fit more cables into a cable tray, or there could simply be, less cable going through a cable tray because of it, which is a big benefit for our contractor partners as they install product. So this product is great for our end users and for our contractors. The end users, again, we want to make sure that they are prepared for moving into the future. And as people push power over these cables, we want to make sure that they have the peace of mind that the cable is going to be effective and good for a long period of time after they install it. And by having a UL listing for PoE, we are able to make our end users feel much more comfortable with our products. So you can find more information about GenSPEED on graybar.com, on generalcable.com, or you can always check with your local General Cable sales rep.